What was your life?
Nung elementary days ko, nag-start po na thankfully kay Lord na hindi naman po ako nag-stop during my journey in the elementary days, pero it was a struggle kasi there would always be hope. Merong may may makikita at makikita kang liwanag. Sabi nga 'di ba sa dulo ng isang tunnel laging may makikita tayong liwanag, and even to our life, the journey would not always be easy, pero hangga't nabubuhay ka, hangga't may araw nagigising ka, there are things to be thankful for and there are things to hope for. Every day is always a new beginning na binibigay sa'tin ni God. And it would always fall to where we put our trust in. Laging may pag-asa and laging makakakita ka din ng paraan, makakahanap ka ng sarili mong journey, and ang pinakakailangan mo lang talagang gawin is to trust and to hold on and to really grasp kung ano yung binigay sa'yo na dream. Hindi yun hangga't pinanghahawakan mo yun, yung dream na na-place sa heart mo,
Mhm.